This is the reason why you should grind every single block. Brand new pallet, still not even open yet. And then just look. If you're not grinding, you're gonna be chasing this the whole way up, and you're gonna end up with your wall doing something you didn't want it to do. So we compacted our site soils, and you want to make sure, just like you would when you're doing pavers or anything like that, a driveway, you want to put down some fabric. It's not super critical what fabric you use, but you want to stop the migration from, if you're using 57 clean stone behind here, you don't want all this stuff working down here over time and mixing in with the site soils. So it's important to separate your fabrics even at this level, even though it's going to be 6 feet below what we're ultimately going to be at. Anytime you're drilling block out, it's a good idea to stand on it, because when we're getting into a situation like this, and this was approved by the engineer, we don't have batter on this particular section, so we have to drill it out and pin it. We also glue it. The glue is going to make it want to slide all around, so it's a good idea to stand on it so the block don't start sliding and moving in places you don't want to.